Are you struggling with back pain, but a little intimidated to go to a full yoga class? Here are 5 beginner poses that can support with back pain. Number 1, flexion and extension. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round. This can be done seated in a chair or on the floor. Repeat this 5 times. As you inhale, really open up through the front side of the body, the throat, the chest. And as you exhale, really open up through the back side of the body, tuck the pelvis. Number 2, inhale, raise an arm and lean to one side. Then round the spine and open up through the opposite side rib cage. Take 3 slow, deep breaths here before switching sides. Then be sure to take 3 slow, deep breaths on the other side, balancing yourself out. Number 3, seated twist. Inhale, lengthen the spine, get tall, lift the crown of the head, and exhale, twist the low spine. On the next exhale, twist the middle spine, then the upper spine, and the neck. Hold there for 3 slow, deep breaths before switching sides. Do the same thing on the other side, and be sure to hold the equal amount of time. Number 4 is child pose. You can rest on the mat with your knees together to support your low back. If this is uncomfortable on the knees, you might consider folding a towel and pressing it behind the backs of the knees. You could also roll up another towel and support the ankles. If the head doesn't reach the mat, you could place it on a block. Number 5 is cat-cow. Come to hands and knees. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round. Follow this for about 3 to 5 breaths. Do this daily as part of your wake-up routine, and your low back will be feeling so much better. Follow along for more content like this.